Friends, welcome to our Maths Nagaraj sir channel. In the intermediate first year, the third chapter, matrices 4 marks questions. Already in part 1, 2, 3, 4, we discussed 2 marks and some 4 marks and important concept, everything was completed. In this part 5, we discussed about 4 marks matrices questions. So dear friends, please subscribe my channel and also please click bell button to get more videos and share with your friends. 3 questions are over in the part 4 and then the 4th question of short questions, that is, if theta minus phi is equal to pi by 2, okay na? This is pi pi, this is phi pi, this is theta, okay? Theta minus pi is equal to pi by 2. Then show that cos square theta cos theta sin theta and cos theta sin theta sin square theta into cos square pi cos pi sin pi into cos pi sin pi sin square pi is a null matrix. What do you mean by null matrix? Null matrix means 0, 0, 0, 0, the matrix. Or also we can expect the question, if theta minus phi equal to pi by 2, then show that matrix cos square theta, cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta, sin square theta into cos square pi, cos pi sin pi, cos pi sin pi, sin square pi is equal to 0. Okay na? So what is given here? Solution. This is 4 marks important question. Given that theta minus pi equal to pi by 2. Okay na? Let us see a small trigonometric formulas. First of all, send minus 5 to right side. Then theta equal to pi by 2. Minus 5 send right side becomes plus 5. Pi by 2 plus pi. So it is in terms of sine and cos. So first of all, apply sine both side of this function and next apply cos both side of this function. First of all apply sine, taking sine on both sides. Then it becomes sine of theta is equal sine of pi by 2 plus pi. This is okay. So becomes what? Sine theta is equal sine of 90 plus pi. Sine of 90 plus pi. So 90 plus means it belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. So positive. And whenever it is pi by 2, sine interchanges as cos. Cos, what is angle? Pi. So sine of 90 plus pi nothing but cos pi. Okay na? So plus means no need to write. Next applying cos to this term on both sides. Then cos theta. Okay. I am writing here. Cos of theta is equal for this function. Cos of 90 plus pi. Now which is equal? Now tell me cos of 90 plus theta. 90 plus means it belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. Okay. Next, whenever it is 90 degrees or 270 degrees, cos becomes sine. So sine pi. Okay na? We will clear explanation in trigonometry about these ratios. Okay, now simply you just remember that sin of 90 plus theta is cos phi, cos of 90 plus phi is minus sin phi. You just remember here. In trigonometry, you will know detailed explanation becomes what is the sin of 90 plus, what is sin of 90 minus, what is 180 plus or 180 minus, what is the sin of 270 plus, 270 minus, is everything you will find in trigonometric ratios. You just remember sin of 90 plus pi is cos phi, cos of 90 plus pi is minus sin phi for this question. Okay. So cos theta means minus sin phi, sin theta means cos phi. Clear? Now take the question. I am just removing the question here. Best. So this is fourth question. After this, the next step. Therefore, cos square theta into cos theta sin theta, cos theta into sin square theta, cos square pi into cos square phi, cos square pi into sin phi, cos phi sin pi into sin square pi. I am continuing these steps. Is equal cos theta. Cos theta means what? Minus sin phi. Squaring on both sides, you will get cos square equal to minus whole square means becomes plus sin square. So cos square means we get sin square. So sin square pi. Yes, cos theta equal to minus sin pi. So if you square on both sides, cos square theta equal sin square pi. What about minus? Minus whole square becomes plus. That's why I wrote plus sin square pi. Plus means no need to write. Next, what is here? Cos theta. Cos theta means what? Minus sin pi. So instead of cos theta, I am writing minus sin pi. Next, what is sin theta? Here, sin theta means cos phi. So instead of sin theta, I am writing cos phi. Okay, na? Don't confuse. I am just simplifying cos theta, cos square theta, cos theta, sin theta in terms of pi. I am expressing. Next, cos theta is there. Cos theta means what? Cos theta means minus sin pi. So instead of cos theta, just write minus sin pi. Next, what is there? Sin theta. Sin theta means what? Cos phi. So sin theta means cos phi. So instead of sin theta, I wrote cos phi. Just leave. Next, what is there? Sin square theta. But we have sin theta. Okay. So sin theta is there. Squaring on both sides. Do. So it becomes sin square. It becomes cos square. So sin square theta becomes cos square pi. So instead of sin square theta, we can write cos square pi. That's it. And what about right on top? Write as it is. What is there? Cos square pi, write down as it is. Cos pi sin phi, write down as it is. Next, cos pi sin phi, write down as it is. Next, sin square pi, write down as it is. Finish. All are converted into the same angle. That is pi. Now multiplying these two matrices. How can multiply? Yes, we can multiply that if number of columns equal to number of rows. That is very clear. How to multiply? First row with first column. First row with first column. Okay? Sin square by sin phi cos phi into cos square phi cos phi sin phi. How? Sin square into cos square. So becomes what? Sin square into cos square. Next, minus sin phi cos phi into cos phi sin phi. Minus into plus. Minus sin phi cos phi into cos phi sin phi. See? Sin into sin, sin square, cos into cos, cos square. So again we get sin square pi, cos square pi. That's it. First row with first column, finish. Next to first row with second column. Okay? Sin square pi into cos phi sin phi. See, sin square into sin. Sin cube. Just leave some space. Sin cube into cos phi. Okay? Sin square into cos phi sin phi becomes sin cube cos phi. Next minus sin phi cos phi into sin square. Sin into sin square sin cube minus sin cube phi cos phi. Finish. Next second row with first column. Minus sin phi cos phi into plus cos square phi. So minus into plus minus sin phi cos phi into cos square becomes sin phi cos cube phi. Next second row with first column of the these two are. Next cos square into this cos phi sin phi becomes what? Cos square into cos cube into sin phi. That's it. Next second row with second column. Minus into plus minus sin phi cos phi into cos phi sin phi. Sin into sin square, cos into cos square. So it becomes sin square phi cos square phi. Next cos square into sin square. So plus cos square into sin phi. So dear friends, if you have any problem in this multiplication, if you have any confusion, please watch the previous videos, that part 2 or part 3. In that I explained the basic levels of multiplications and a few sums also were done in that. So if you have clarity on multiplication, here you will not get any confusion, you will not get any doubt. It will become over. See, sin square cos phi minus sin square cos phi, same term minus same term becomes 0. Here also same term minus same term becomes 0. Okay now. So here minus, here plus, here minus, here plus. Totally we are getting 0, 0, 0. So it is a null matrix. So this is the fourth 4 marks question. Is it clear? We just remember, given that theta minus phi equal pi by 2, minus phi send right side, it becomes pi by 2 plus phi, and take sine on both sides, you will get sin theta equal to sin of phi 90 plus phi, and take cos on both sides, you will get cos theta equal to cos of 90 plus phi, and here sin of 90 plus phi means cos phi, cos of 90 plus phi means minus sin phi. Okay na? You will find the detailed explanation, you will know the detailed explanation in trigonometric ratios. So you just remember here, and let us see fifth question. Fifth question. If A equal matrix 3 minus 4 1 minus 1, then show that for all positive integer n, for all positive integer small n, A power n equal 1 plus 2n minus 4n n 1 minus 2n. Okay na? A equal 3 minus 4 1 minus 1 is given. We have to show that A power n equals so and so. How can we solve? In mathematical induction, means second chapter of first year maths 1A, mathematical induction, we have only these type of questions. So it depends on mathematical induction. How to do this sum? Its sum consists 3 steps. It consists 3 steps. Step 1 is n equal to 1. Step 2 is n equal to k. Step 3 is n equal to k plus 1. Okay. You may feel it is difficult, but if you learn one sum, at least one sum, you will feel easily, you can easily solve all remaining 12-15 sums. Those are in mathematical induction. So see how to do. First of all, given that matrix A equal 3 minus 4 1 minus 1, okay na? Put on and let given statement P of n is A power n equal 1 plus 2n minus 4n and 1 minus 2n. Okay na? This different way of method going to simplify using principal mathematical induction. So what is principal mathematical induction means? We see it consists 3 steps. principal math to do in the method of principal mathematical. The first step is n equal to 1. Take n equal to 1. Then substitute in this. Then a power n is given. So that implies a power 1 equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 4 into 1, 1, 1 minus 2 into 1. So the first step is take n equal to 1 and substitute wherever n, in that place substitute 1. So instead of n, just write down 1, and 1 is as it is, plus is as it is, 2 is as it is, n nothing but 1, because of we have taken n equal to 1. That is first step. And that implies a power 1 means a equal, see 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Now minus 4 into 1 becomes minus 4. Next 1. Next 2 into 1, 2. 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1. So a equal, what did we get? 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. Whenever in a power n, if you substitute n equal to 1, we get a equal 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. Is it true? Check with given state. Is it true? Yes. Therefore, what we can write? At n equal to 1 means P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. Then step 2. This step 2 is assumed value step. Let P of k, means in place of n we write k, is true. Let, I am taking that P of k is true. Therefore, given statement becomes what? A power k is equal 1 plus 2k minus 4k and k 1 minus 2k. First step 1, take n equal to 1 and simplify. Check it whether it is true or not. Definitely we will get it becomes true. So write down P of 1 is true. In every kind of sums, do in this way only. And step 2, you must write let P of k is true. Then the statement becomes a power k is equal 1 plus 2k minus 4k, k 1 minus 2k. Means if you substitute n equal to k, definitely we should substitute n plus k to get a power k. So it is 2 steps are over. The final step is step 3. How to do? If we complete the step 3, the solution is over. Okay, na? I'm just removing this. Okay, up to here write down. The next two I'm going to write aside. And then up to here, okay. First take a equal and next write let given statement P of n is a power n equal, and then step 1 substitute n equal to 1. You will get a equal to again that one. So it becomes a P of 1 is true. Next in step 2, let P of k is true. Therefore a power k equal, instead of n, just write down k. So 1 plus 2n means 1 plus 2k. So like that a power k is there. Next to step 3. Step 3. In this step 3, we should prove P of k plus 1 is true. In this step 3, we should prove P of k plus 1 is true. So, write down, we have to prove that P of k plus 1 is true. What is P of k plus 1? That means we have to prove a power k plus 1 equal, okay now. So what is a power n? Statement 1 plus 2n minus 4n n 1 minus 2n. This is given in question a power n. So we should prove instead of n, if k plus 1 write down, instead of n just write k plus 1. So 1 plus 2 into n means k plus 1 minus 4n, n means k plus 1, next n means k plus 1, next 1 minus 2 into n means k plus 1. This we have to prove. In step 1 we should prove, and step 3 we should prove Just step 2 we should write by assuming. Take LHS. What is LHS? A power k plus 1. Therefore, LHS A power k plus 1 I am taking is equal. So we have to simplify. It can be right A power k into A power 1. Am I right? A power k into A power 1. What is A power k? Here it is 1 plus 2k minus 4k k 1 minus 2k into A. A means what? Given that A is 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. Then in the starting steps, A value is given. Matrix A is given. Multiply this. How to multiply? Row with column. First row with first column. 1 plus 2k into 3 becomes 3 plus 6k minus 4k into 1 minus 4k. Length. Next, first row with second column. 1 plus 2k into minus 4. Minus 4 minus 8k. 1 into minus 4 minus 4. 2k into minus 4 minus 8k. Next, minus 4k into minus 1 plus 4k. Next, second row with first column. K into 3. 3k. 1 minus 2k into 1. 1 minus 2k into 1. 1 minus 2k. Next, k into minus 4. Minus 4k. 1 minus 2k into minus 1. Minus 1 into plus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2k plus 2k. Simplify this. See here 3 is a number. Write as it is. And remaining are k terms. Here k terms 6 are there. Here k terms 4 are there. So total 6k terms nunchi 4k terms తీసేయండి. Subtract 4k terms from 6k. You will get 2k terms. 6 minus 4, 2. And here minus 4 write as it is. And minus 8k plus 4k. Okay na? 8 నుంచి 4 తీసేస్తే 4. But negatives are more. Becomes minus 4. And 1 is constant. And 3k minus 2k becomes k plus 1 as it is. Plus 1 as it is. 3k minus 2k becomes 1k. And here minus 1 as it is. Minus 2k plus 2k becomes minus 2k. Sorry, minus 4k plus 2k means 1 minus 2. Okay na? Shall we write this in the form of this? See, 3 is there. If you write 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 and plus 2k. So you can take 2 in common. And here if you take minus 4 common, you will get 1 plus k. And here k plus 1 as it is. And here we should write plus 1. We should get. But we got minus 1. So we can write 1 minus 2 for this minus 1. Instead of minus 1, I am writing 1 minus 2. And minus 2k as it is. Now, the last step. 1. In this 2 take out common. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. 1 plus k or k plus 1. So getting? And here we got it already. First write down k, after 1. And k plus 1 is, this is only first time. And 1 as it is. And take minus common. Not only minus, minus 2 common. 2 1 ja, 2 k ja. So you will get k plus 1. Dear friends, don't get trouble here. After getting multiplication, you will get this step. After that, directly this step. How can you write?
1 month. 1 పెద్దగా.
Okay? Directly you can write this step by using this step. No problem. So this is the step 3. Got it? Taking LHS and substituting in that and proving. We simplify it, we get RHS. Therefore, what we can write? So mostly this is complete. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, by principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for all n belongs to capital M or for all positive integer m. So you may feel it is a large or difficult. When you complete the mathematical induction, at least if you have few knowledge on mathematical induction, because that is necessary. Mathematical induction, from mathematical induction, we have one long question for your exam. So for that one long question, we have only 10 to 15 long questions are there. That is only the topic. You learn that 10 to 15 sums, you have 7 marks in your hand, and also you can do in middle this type of question, because of there is a interlink between 1 to 3 chapters, interlink between trigonometry and maths. There is a interlink between trigonometry and mathematical induction. So like that, 2-3 sums are belongs to depend on some other basics of trigonometry or mathematical induction. Okay, na? Actually, maths is very easy. Just these 3 sums are depend on one is trigonometry. This depend on mathematical induction. Let us see one more sum depend on this kind of mathematical induction. Next, 6th question we will explain. Okay, now see next question, 6th question. If matrix A equal cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, then show that for all positive integers small n, a power n equal cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta cos n theta. Okay, same mathematical induction, step 1, step 2, step 3. I will tell you. But before that, we should know few formulas about sin and cos which comes in trigonometry. Here I will tell you. If you learn here in trigonometry, you will become easy. If you learn trigonometry and then practice this question, then also you will become get easily. For that, first one is sin of a plus b. These 4 formulas are very most important. Second one is sin of a minus b. Third one is cos of a plus b. And fourth one is cos of a minus b. Okay, na? These trigonometric formulas. Don't write sin a plus sin b, sin a minus sin b. That is absolutely wrong. So what is sin of a plus b? Sin of a plus b means sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. That's it. Sin of a plus b means sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Of course, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is there. Instead of that, we should write sin of a plus b. Next, sin of a minus b, tell me. Just to change, instead of plus, just write minus. So minus is there, that's all. Remaining same. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. That's it. Okay? You must by heart these formulas. Before 6th question, just write down note and write the 4 formulas. After writing 4 formulas, and continue the 6th question in your notebooks. Next, cos of a plus b becomes what? Cos a cos b. Yeah. If plus is there, write minus. Sin a sin b. Yeah. If plus is there, in cos minus we get. If minus is there, we get plus. Same. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. However, these 4 formulas are important. However, you can remember, but don't confuse anywhere. You must by heart one by one. Okay, these 4 are very important. So see the 6th question. Okay, make the notes. Notes lo raskoni. Video pause cheskoni notes raskoni. No problem. Okay. Okay. After 5th question complete, write the note on means 4 formulas. Then 6th question, write down. If a equal cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, then show that for all positive integers so and so. First solution. Given that a equal cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So a is given like that. And let given statement I'm taking as P of n. P of n is a power n equal cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta cos n theta. Okay, don't give space. Sin n theta cos n theta. What is step 1? Just now we have done in the 5th question. Step 1 is take n equal to 1 and substitute in that. So substitute in that So otherwise you can give equation 1, substitute in equation 1, n equal 1, substitute in equation 1. No need to write, for your convenience I am writing a power 1 is equal, instead of n write down 1, cos 1 theta sin 1 theta minus sin 1 theta cos 1 theta. In this multiplication 1 into theta, theta, cos theta sin theta, okay, minus sin theta cos theta. Got it? Instead of n equal to 1, if you substitute by taking a power n, we get a equal cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Compare with this true. So wherever n equal to 1 is true, yes. Therefore, P of 1 is true. Next, step 2. What is step 2? Assume that at n equal to k, means P of k is true. So substitute n equal to k. So therefore, I'm writing and upside. Okay, I'm writing here. Step 2. That assume that P of k is true. True. So what is P of k? That means a power k equal cos k theta sin k theta minus sin k theta cos k theta. Okay? So clearly write down from first step, second, next. Then after step 3. Step 3. What is step 3? We should prove, or we have to prove that P of k plus 1 is true. Okay, what is P of k plus 1? That means a power k plus 1 equal cos k plus 1 theta sin k plus 1 theta minus sin k plus 1 theta cos k plus 1 theta. This we have to prove. How to prove? Take LHS. A power k plus 1 equal, a power k plus 1 can be written as a power k into a. Okay, a power k means what? From step 2 we have a power k, that is cos k theta sin k theta minus sin k theta cos k theta into a. A means what? In the first step, a means cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Now multiply. Okay, na? I'll just remember this. Multiply first row with first column, cos k into cos. That's it, cos k into cos theta only. Next, sin k into minus sin becomes minus sin k theta into sin theta. Next, first row with second column, cos k into sin theta becomes what? Cos k into sin theta only. Next, sin k into cos plus sin k theta into cos theta. Next, second row with first column, minus sin k into cos, so becomes minus sin k theta cos theta. Next, cos k theta into minus sin, minus cos k theta sin theta. Next, second row with second column, minus sin k into sin theta, minus sin k theta sin theta. Next, cos k into cos plus cos k theta into cos theta. Finish. See, just now I have told you 4 formulas. In that, what is third formula? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B means cos of A plus B. Yeah. So it can be written as cos of A plus B means cos k theta plus theta. Next, see this. See first formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. First formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is that? Yes, sin of A plus B. So sin of A plus B. Sin of A means what here? K. B means theta. So k theta plus theta. Next, it is minus sin k minus cos minus sin. Okay, now we don't have a formula consist both negatives. So what should we should do that? Take minus common. Take out minus common. So after taking minus common, you will get sin A cos B plus cos A sin B because of minus taking common. So what is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B? First formula, sin of A plus B means here sin of A means k theta plus B means theta. That's it. And see here, read first this, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Third formula, cos of A plus B. Yes. So cos of A plus B. So most we got it. Cos of theta take out common, k plus 1 into theta. Sin of theta take out common, k plus 1 into theta. Minus sin of take out theta common, k plus 1 into theta. And cos of theta take out common, k plus 1 into theta. So got it, RHS? Yes, we got it. Therefore, after this, therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. Completed third step. Therefore, given statement, therefore, by principle of mathematical induction, M means mathematical, I means induction. Principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for all positive integer n. So these are the 3 4 marks questions in this video, and the next topic is transpose of a matrix. The next topic is transpose of a matrix. That is very easy and important, and in that transpose of matrix again we will continue the 2 marks questions, because of in part 3 2 marks questions are completed. In part 4 and part 3 and part 4 4 marks questions are done, few 4 marks. In this 6 4 marks question, 1 4 marks question is very most important. In that show that ai plus be whole cube equal 3a square b, that is very most important. So these are the 4 marks questions. The next again we will start 4 marks after 2 marks. So friends, please watch my videos continuously, and please subscribe, and also please click the bell button. If you do like that, you will get notifications, or you will get all my videos. Then easily you can watch when I can put the next class, immediately you will get notification. Immediately you can watch, and also please make the notes by listening or pausing the class. Thank you very much. Okay, already I have told you it consists of 22 marks matrices. Okay, na? 2 very short question, 1 4 marks question, and 2 7 marks questions. So from this we can expect 1 4 marks question, no problem. Okay, na?